Hi guys, welcome to Kaipan Aditi. I'm your host and dost Aditi. Of course, मेरे नाम पे ही शो है तो I don't need even the introduction. There is so much going on. I cannot like every week I'm like कि अब तो कुछ होने नहीं वाला, ये हफ्ते कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, like नहीं just ये boring होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा बात करने के लिए, and then there is something that comes out and another thing comes out and another thing comes out, and then I have so much to talk with you guys. I cannot even believe it. Okay, the week started off with the Emmy nominations. There were so many incredible international TV shows that were nominated, and मेरा favorite show, like usually ऐसे होता है कि यार अगर आप ऑस्कर देख रहे हो या कोई पिक्चर को कोई मूवी को ऑस्कर मिला हो तो देन यू गेट इनटू थिंकिंग ओ द पिक्चर और मूवी और वेब सीरीज मस्ट बी रियली दैट गुड, मैंने देखी होगी या नहीं देखी होगी, एंड देन यू गो बैक एंड वॉच इट, एंड यू नो दिस टाइम अराउंड देयर वर so many Emmy nominated TV shows, actresses, and one of the biggest show that have been nominated for outstanding drama series, web series, is Euphoria. And I am so happy because मैं fan हूँ Euphoria की, and I absolutely love Euphoria. If you've not checked the web series out, it is on Disney Plus Hotstar right now. I literally have like list of recommendations that you need to check out on Disney Plus Hotstar. I have like a list right now that you need to check out. So पहले तो यूफोरिया, लव, सेक्स, ड्रग्स, टीनेजर्स, द परफेक्ट कॉम्बो, इतना ज़्यादा ड्रामा, इतना सही सही एक्टिंग, एंड इतने सारे लाइक सपोर्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स, एंड जेंडाया खुद आई थिंक डायरेक्ट या प्रोड्यूस किया है. शी इज़ द यंगेस्ट person ever to get nominated for being a producer or a director, something along those lines. So kudos to her. Like, she's super talented, star on the rise. Like, absolutely the work can be seen in Euphoria. फिर Yellow Jacket was another web series that got nominated for outstanding drama. Sadly ये Disney Plus Hotstar पे नहीं है, but ये web series मैंने download की पूरी की पूरी, 2 या 3 एपिसोड देखे, and I stopped. Like, not because it was too intense or it was too heavy, but more along the lines of बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि मैं कुछ चालू करती हूँ और मेरे से मतलब होता नहीं है फिनिश करना है, या आई गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड बाय सम अदर वेब सीरीज और सम अदर शो. तो ऐसा मेरे साथ पचिंको के टाइम पे भी हुआ था कि 3-4 मतलब द वेब सीरीज इज जेन्युइनली really good, but I'm not just able to finish it, and then I forget कि oh yeah, I'd even downloaded it in the first place. So Yellow Jackets is about this plane crashes on some island, and these kids needs to do things to survive that long on that island, and one of the thing being cannibalism. Yeah, you heard that right. So I think they kill one of their own and eat to survive, and just along the same lines फिर फास्ट फॉरवर्ड टू 10-15 years, कोई तो भी जर्नलिस्ट वो स्टोरी फिर से डिग अप करता है एंड फिगर आउट कि एक्चुअली हुआ क्या था, एंड फिर वो जर्नलिस्ट वो गांव में जाती है, एंड just this, that's how the story starts to unfold. I've not seen the entire web series, but now it has been officially nominated. It's a good sign indicator for me to like go back and watch it, finish the goddamn show. Itne shows nikal rahe hai, web series movies ki there's so little time to watch. It's not that the shows are bad, it's that consistently her show is so good. Every show is really good. Like, the content is good quality content, and that makes it even more tougher to pick. And once you pick it, it's like 2, 3, 4 seasons, it's hard to go through, and that is why I highly recommend you guys to watch everything at 1.25x, yeah, 1.5x के speed पे, because that is what I really do. I was watching Gilmore Girls because, like, you know, just chick flick, I wanted like a nice chick flick TV show without stress wala, easy like soap series, and that was the one that was recommended to me, and it had like 7 seasons, and I could not watch it इतना कमिटमेंट नहीं दे सकती हूँ मैं. 7 सीजन, देन हर सीजन में 20-25 एपिसोड. आई वाज लाइक जान ले लो, माय गॉड. So I ended up watching it at 1.5x. Everything is funny at 1.5x and I absolutely love it. Like once you go 1.5x की speed पे, your world is never the same again. The content, you got to finish the content and save time for yourself as well. So that's the best way out. Speaking of Disney Plus Hotstar recommendations, I have amazing ones for you guys. Miss Marvel is great. There's Moon Knight. Just when I think यार ये Marvel वाले और क्या सोच सकते हैं और क्या crazy twisted इसमें कैसे सोच सकते हैं वो लोग. And like just the storyline, like जब सबसे पहले जब लोकी निकला था, लोकी इज अनदर ग्रेट शो दैट इज करंटली ऑन डिज्नी प्लस हॉटस्टार. I'm just so happy that they've just picked up all of the Marvel के shows and it's on Disney Plus Hotstar. I'm just so happy about that. And another shout out to the Airtel subscribers here, because Airtel के साथ I think Disney Plus Hotstar free मिलता है for a year, something along those lines, and the deal is fabulous, and so I got it. Yeah, Moon Knight, Loki, the concepts are so freaking unique, and I absolutely love the brilliant script writing. जो writers होते हैं, script writing in general is very tough, difficult, and to make it entertaining, to make it even more unique, and और क्या कर सकते हैं कि audience चौंक जाए. Like I was shocked when I saw लोकी कि उन्होंने ऐसा ट्विस्ट लाया है एंड ऐसे डिफरेंट टाइम लाइन्स, एंड आप ये चूज़ किया तो ये टाइम लाइन स्प्राउट होगा, या वो चूज़ किया तो लाइक just that brilliance of just storytelling and character building. I love that. I want to sit down, talk to these script writers, talk to these storytellers, whoever they are. I want to make them come on my show and talk about it. Like that is so fascinating and brilliant to capture that audience. मजा आ गई. Anyways, I'm gonna like keep blabbing more about it. You can like shut me off right here. Moon Knight was great. Euphoria है, yes, Disney Plus Hotstar पे Euphoria है. Please go watch Euphoria. I think you'll love it. Angus Cloud, I love him so much. फिर है The Kardashians. You guys know I'm obsessed with that show. Coffee with Karan is on Disney Plus Hotstar. I've not even watched the first episode. I've not even watched the last 2 seasons of it. Yeah, that's where it is. That's where we are at. Even the Lotus Hotel, the White Lotus basically ये another show है. इसमें भी Sydney Sweeney है. Sydney Sweeney is also in Euphoria. She was nominated. White Lotus, another great show. Limited series है. I love it जब shows web series 6 episode में ख़त्म हो जाते हैं. I'm like yes, count me in. Same impact पड़ता है. Story बहुत brilliant होती है. Tight set होता है बहुत, and like 6 episode में you have to tell the entire span of your life. जैसे The Queen's Gambit, it's like it was for her, the woman who was playing the Anya Taylor-Joy जो main character play करती है, उसका story line is somewhere between when she's really small, she's an orphanage, and then उसका growth बताते हैं eventually, and 15 and adopt होती है, and then 20 and she's winning world championships, and you know it's just 6 episodes में the entire almost like half her life is shown. That's what I absolutely love about such shows. Brilliant how much you can pack in such short time. So that was brilliant. And then abhi naya show nikla hai. Okay, we have to talk about it because I absolutely love it. ये Indian show है, Indian TV web series निकला है, शूरवीर करके है. I think you wanna check this out. I think ये Disney Plus Hotstar का like original show है, and I randomly came across it and I was like, okay, you know what, let me check it. And then I saw the show and it was really good. I really loved acting and the story, मतलब story था, and everything was right there. And I ended up, after finishing the season, I ended up googling कि second season कब निकलेगा, and that's where I realized कि the day I watched the show, उसके एक दिन पहले ही वो शो रिलीज़ हुआ था. And I was like, oh no, I thought कि यार ये last year का शो होगा और मे बी उसका season 2 आ रहा होगा, and then I realized नहीं, ये कल ही रिलीज़ हुआ. And I was like, damn my life. So those are like a few recommendations. Those are a lot, I know, those are a lot, but like just brilliant. what is up? I thought कि यार okay, I might talk about Emmy nominations and these shows are great, and I was like okay, अब हफ्ते में कुछ होगा नहीं, अब कुछ नहीं होगा, and then the Lalit Modi picture happened and everybody was in shock, and everybody was like just the trolling, the memes, you guys, the memes were so freaking lit AF. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. I think a specific meme I remember. So, Lalit Modi, owner of IPL, he started the IPL T20, and of course he's filthy rich. And then I wanted to know why. Like, I understand he basically created the T20 and everything. I wanted to understand why was he such a like in news and इतना बड़ा big deal क्यों है ये कि he and Sushmita Sen are dating or whatever it could be, whatever. Why was it such a big deal? And that's where I read कि he is a fugitive on the run, I think so. But I just read that he's a fugitive. That's that. The whole chaos, the incident, just it was so funny. Then everybody was like, why is Sushmita dating Lalit Modi out of all people? Like, she's Miss Universe, for God's sake. Miss Universe. And then could be anything. Maybe they have genuine connection and like they've been talking for a while. Maybe they both like each other. Whatever. अपने को क्या करना है? The other possible reason being, yeah, he is super rich, super filthy, super rich. हो सकता है, मतलब हो सकता है, बोलने के लिए तो हो सकता है, yeah, for sure. So that comes down to that maybe also. So we are gonna address the elephant in the room. Does money make you more attractive? 100% yes. 100%. Yes. What lasts? No, let's be reasonable. What lasts forever? Is it love or is it money? It's always, the answer is money. Don't say it's love. For people who have money and who say money is not everything, I call that bullshit. I call it bullshit. Money does not bring you happiness. I call that bullshit. ये वही लोग बोलते हैं मनी डज नॉट ब्रिंग यू हैप्पीनेस. ये वही लोग बोलते हैं जिनके पास पैसा बहुत होता है. Just putting it out there. And money does bring me happiness, and I am happy about it. I'm happy about my salary days, and happy about my savings. And yes, money does make me very happy. And yeah, I can buy stuff for my niece. I can buy more stuff from my brother, and I can get a PS5 for him, and manifesting more happy things that I can buy with money. So yes, money does make you look attractive. Money does bring you joy, bring me joy. At least मेरे लिए तो है भाई. कोई कुछ भी बोले, I don't like. ठीक है, आपका ओपिनियन है, ये मेरा ओपिनियन है. I value everybody's opinion and do what I think is best for me, basically that. So I think money does make you attractive. Money does make me look attractive, and yes, money matters. Oh lord. Yeah. In other news, YouTube, by the way, came out with a list of like कुछ 300 plus songs that have crossed billion views. Can you freaking believe that? A billion plus views. We are a country of billion people. मतलब आधा बिलियन तो इंडिया ने व्यूज दिया होगा, मेरे को लगता है. I cannot believe it. So I was like, you know what, let me go down the list of songs, because 300 के ऊपर गाने थे, and I was like, there's so many songs I did not know. मतलब there were already so many songs that I knew, I've heard, and I've watched and I've rewatched so many like music videos. Like Gangnam Style was, I think, number 1 on it. And I love Gangnam Style. My niece loved. She was like 8-9 months old, and we used to dance together on Gangnam Style. And so I have to mention, honorable mention for that song. But like there were so many songs that I did not know. I just did not know. I was like, how, if I don't know how, like I was just curious कि क्या होगा playlist में. But there were so many songs that had crossed billion, and I was like, okay, maybe I genuinely don't listen to music, because ये billion views होगा तो that means कि एक आधा song मतलब सुना ही होगा यार, मैक्सिमम टू मैक्सिमम सुना ही होगा, एक आधा छूट गया होगा. बट नहीं, बहुत सारे सॉन्ग्स थे that I've not even heard of or not even seen. I don't know. Like I was trying to find a Indian song like Bollywood music, Hindi music, or even Punjabi music. I just could not come across it. So then the question comes, कि यार maybe this is like only for English music, but then I saw Despacito on it, so maybe not. So I'm just it's a whole question mark for me, whole question mark, whole in general. I also recently read, so like moving on to the next topic, I read about Gen Z. Gen Z is the next generation of people. So basically anybody who's between age of 18 and I think 21, yeah, 21 or 22ish, is called Gen Z, and they are here, they are in the market, they are looking for job, they are coming for our jobs, and they are the people who've come with better resources than I have. मतलब अभी मैं और मेरी बहन बात कर रहे थे, इंटरनेट हमारे जब when I was in 7th standard, 7th या 8th में थी, तब मेरे गाँव में इंटरनेट आया था, that dial up BSNL, with that tone, that ringtone of it, and then connect करो, and like I come from that. We did not even have smartphones, and eventually, as we grew older, smartphones came in and all that. But this generation has smartphone. This generation has better access to everything. So this was such a like an interesting article that I read about Gen Z. It's always good, like if you are a brand, if you are a business, if you're not catering to Gen Z, you are already losing, because they are the next generation of movers and shakers, and everything needs to be catered just towards them. And so this article was saying about how Gen Z is now not googling anything. I was like, that's interesting, what does that mean? So basically हमारा जनरेशन Gen Y was all about गूगल सर्च, गूगल पे सर्च करते हैं क्या है, क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है, क्या टॉपिक है, या क्या आर्टिकल है, या ये ग्रीन ड्रेस जेलो का, या जो भी है, वी गूगल सर्च. Gen Z does not Google search. Gen Z is moving to Instagram and TikTok to search for anything. It's everything for Gen Z is very visually rich content, is what the article was talking about. Like anything visually rich is what these people are gravitating towards. And I was like, that is so interesting. Like we look at restaurant reviews and everything on Google, or we search a restaurant on Google, but they search it on Instagram, they search it on TikTok. And I was like, that's interesting. So if a brand restaurant is not actively, updating their Instagram, they would not even come across it. Matlab, technically we are moving forward to catering to Gen Z, because they are the newcomers in the market. They just like have jobs and internships, and like they are eligible to vote, and that's the generation we should all be catering towards, which is so weird. Like so freaking, yeah, we gotta like now think alongside Gen Z. It's always good to learn something new and have more Gen Z people on the team to learn from. Yeah. All right. Since we've already been talking about Gen Z, um, a publication house was recently, like, this is like one of the biggest book publishers in the world, um, was hiring in India, and I applied for a social media role. Okay, social media. What do you mean by social media? Social media is such a huge umbrella. Like, आप सोशल मीडिया बोलोगे तो दैट डज नॉट एट ऑल मीन कि आपने वीडियो बनाया है और आप पोस्ट कर रहे हो. There is so much that goes behind social media role. So I applied for it. The woman responded back with a test. Yes, you heard that right. With the test. The test hosted 7 points, and 7 points had मतलब when somebody gives you a test ना, तो वो test में usually it gives you a fair understanding of what the future role will look like, what this role basically looks like. मतलब मैं कहीं जेडी वेडी पढ़ी नहीं थी, मेरे को कहीं रैंडम इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट दिखा था बाउंड इंडिया पे करके, ये हायरिंग कर रहे तो आप इसको भेज सकते हो. एंड आई डिड दैट, एंड आई हर्ड बैक, एंड देन उसका जो 7 questions she've asked me. She wanted me to create a campaign. She wanted me to create multiple reels. She wanted me to create aesthetically pleasing photos around books. And she wanted me to do like something review the books, as well as review the social media profile, as well as review the website. So I was like, there's still no guarantee that hey, I will get the job like after doing all of it. And so the 7 things that she wanted me to do were basically 4 people job. So usually what happens is when a company this big, there are campaign managers that handle and host only campaigns. They come up with ideas, they come up with concept, स्टोरी टेलिंग, इससे क्या होगा, KPI बेसिकली हम इतना इनपुट डाल रहे हैं, हमें ये मिलेगा वो मिलेगा, वट एवर. देन देर इज़ अ सोशल मीडिया पर्सन हु प्लान्स एंड प्लॉट्स कि ओके दिस इज़ अ आइडियल कैलेंडर, हमें ये दिन पे 3 पोस्ट डालने, ये दिन पे ये 3 पोस्ट डालने, ये दिन पे हमें बेसिकली हाइजीन रखना है सोशल मीडिया का पूरा. ठीक है, तो वो पूरा की. एंड दे ऑल्सो लाइक डू लॉट ऑफ ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग कि क्या कंटेंट जाना चाहिए दैट. एंड देन दे आर एक्चुअल कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स, वीडियो क्रिएटर्स जो होते हैं, जो हर टीम में, हमारे करंट टीम में देर आर ग्राफिक डिज़ाइन टीम जो वीडियो एडिट्स भी बनाते हैं, वीडियो पूरा स्क्रैच से क्रिएट करते हैं, एंड फोटोज़ क्रिएट करते हैं, एंड फोटोशॉप करते हैं, एंड दैट्स अ होल डिफरेंट ये टीम. सो दैट ग्राफिक्स एंड वीडियो का एक टीम होता है. तो शी वांटेड मी टू डू दैट एज वेल for the social media role, and then reviewing and refurbishing the website and the entire social media page. So this all came under one role, that is social media. And I was honestly shocked. Like I was genuinely shocked. Like the biggest switch I made was to work in a tech product based company. Like I was in social media. I was really into social media, and like I wanted to be in that field, marketing. But as I moved to operations, I feel like thank God I'm not in social media. Like इतना undue advantage नहीं लेते हैं. Come on, इतना advantage नहीं लेते कि आप 4 लोगों का रोल अगर आप एक JD में लिख के दोगे ना, तो कोई आपकी कंपनी में काम नहीं करने वाला है. पहले तो ये like either you want me as a video creator, video editor, whatever content creator, or you want me as a campaign manager, or you want me as a social media person. Because एक social media person होता है और वो 4 लोगों के साथ coordinate करता है to make sure the content is going up on the page, and this person makes sure कि वो सबके साथ in touch. And मतलब social media is so messed up at this point. Like it's so freaking messed up. And I kid you not, this was like probably one of the biggest Indian publishing houses ever, and well known. They're globally present, and it's not just homegrown brand or anything as such. I was so shocked. Like I'm just grateful that I made the switch from marketing to operations, and just it just went from there. It's so funny because when I was in US, I studied marketing, I studied entrepreneurship, I studied a little bit about business and everything. What's funny is that when I came back, the job that I got were not because of what I've studied abroad. It was simply based on because I have been creating content for 10 years and YouTube. That was what people saw on my CV. You have so much experience, you've been doing this, you must be great, I've seen your videos, I want you to do this. And that is how I landed up with ByteDance or TikTok. And then currently I am working with another homegrown short video platform brand here in India. And crazy how the journey to operations have been. Like I never like in my life imagined कि यार I would do such a huge switch. Like मेरा career story is a whole different, like it's a whole different ball game in itself कि यार मैं I was in this field, I tried that, I tried this, marketing, अब operations, पहले engineering था. it's been heck of a journey, and I still want to keep going, keep exploring. I am really good with communication. I think I want to do more of storytelling, more of talking with people, more of what Jimmy Kimmel does, and like have my own show and just have a great, amazing time. That's what I want to do. That's what I want to do. I've been dabbling a lot with the idea of क्या बोलेंगे acting, yeah, sorry, theater acting. I've been dabbling with that a lot, but then come to think of it, I think I don't know if acting comes naturally to me. Like, I think I am an over actor, but I don't think I'm a over talker. I think I'm just perfect with communication, and um, let's see how it works out in a bigger picture. I'm just happy at the current place I am. But I do want to do more of what scares me. Like, I 2 days ago I hit rock bottom, and I was not even able to get up out of my bed. मैं 10-11 बजे उठती हूँ, and then I have my breakfast, I get to work, and then 1 बजे फिर से नींद आने लगती है. एंड आई मतलब इट्स नॉट इवन अबाउट कि अरे मैंने खाया है इसलिए मेरे को नींद आ रही है, बट जस्ट एग्जॉशन. आई डोंट नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एग्जॉशन इज दिस. So I'm gonna get my blood tested and everything. I'm gonna see a doctor. That's gonna happen. But um, I'm lost. I'm lost as to what to do next, and that is why I even applied for an application. I just wanted to see what's out there. It was always good to keep practicing and giving interviews, and so I did that. And I did not even like give an interview. It was just she sent me a test, and I was like, whoa, I can't do that, sorry, bye bye, I withdraw my application. I want to try more of what makes me scared. It's been too comfortable. I've been too comfortable. Like, do what makes you feel a little bit scared, and also curious as well. Like, ये करने से क्या होगा, that curiosity, follow your curiosity. That's something that I'm trying to tell more to myself. Follow your curiosity, see where it takes you, because it will take you exactly where your body naturally, your brain, your heart knows it. Your heart and brain knows it. I'm not able to properly project the idea of curiosity, but I think you all wanna check Steve Jobs का क्या बोलेंगे commencement speech at Stanford, Harvard, I don't know. And that speech was brilliant. He talks about following curiosity, and I keep telling that to myself. Keep telling that to myself. What would you do if you were not scared? Like, what would you do? Where will your curiosity take you? And so I have like list of things I want to do, like get a tattoo, chop off my hair, keep moving cities every 2 to 3 months, have that job that I love, keep communicating with more people. That's the only way to connect human to human communication stories. Yeah, man, it's been tough. It's been tough. So that's it, you guys. Thank you for tuning in. This is Kaipan Aditi. I will see you next time. Bye.